Hi everyone, I wanted to talk with you face to face about the cognates. I just went through Cognate 1 um, and there are a couple of things. One, I need you and you need as students to read all the directions. Um, Please reread them. Please read the rubric and the information I gave you on cognates. You can also look up cognates. This is higher level learning. It's not just what I'm feeding you, it's the idea, and then you go and look as well. So it's not just about me feeding you, it's about you looking in and getting things. That's one thing. Number two, when you do that, you're going to find out cognates are not translations. They're not definitions. They're words that share common root in more than one language, okay? And your discussion should delve into that common root and discuss that. Also, I would add here mnemonic devices. How are you going to remember something? It may not be a cognate, it may be a memory. So back to the translations, definitions, and the discussion. You're not saying estudiar, study, universidad, university. Yes, they're cognates, but those are the definitions. So let's look at this one right here. The example, joven. Joven in Espanol, in Spanish, means youth or a young person. That's the meaning. That is not the cognate. The cognate, or one of the cognates, is juvenile. Now, I don't expect you to look this up. I don't want dictionary definitions. This is the creative part. I want you to realize what you know already that will help you learn Spanish and cut down your study time and increase your competency. That's the point of this exercise. It's not so that I can take up 30 more minutes of your time. I don't have 30 extra minutes. I know that you don't either. If you do this seriously, you're going to cut down study time and you're going to raise up a competency very quickly. 50% of Spanish and English words, that's an arbitrary number, but it's pretty accurate. 50% share common roots. So here we've got joven and juvenile. You see immediately the J, the V, and the N. It's pretty close. Is it exact? No, it's a cognate. So, but it'll help you remember joven. Now you can add in that, well, in J's are sometimes je, sometimes je, but you'll add that on, okay? Another example, regular in Spanish, when we're talking about health, means okay. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy regular, gracias. And it means I'm doing okay. Does everybody use it? Probably not. Probably bien is easier. But that's what it means. Regular in not great, not horrible, regular, average, normal average. Attention, cuidado. In English, when your grandpa says, oh, I'm not so regular, it means he's constipated. So if you're regular in health, it means not constipated. Now, if you're not constipated, you're doing okay, especially if you are an older person. So you kind of start seeing how this all fits together. Some of you had some really good things. Read those. Read as many as your colleagues' entries as you can. And start learning from each other. Also remember, if I'm in your group and I discuss joven, you can't discuss it anymore. You've got to, you go to the end of the chapter, you pick those, it's pretty clear in the directions. So follow the directions, pick those 10 words, respond to at least one, and you'll be doing all right. Cognate 2 is due tomorrow. I've looked at quite a few of them already. You still have time. Really, folks, this should take a total of about 45 minutes to an hour to do a good cognate discussion and reply in a 3-week period. You know, so really it's a good thing. So I'm pleading with you, so I want you to do well. Okay, you take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.